2, 3, roll.
Hello, my name is Bella and I am 5 years old and I have a little brother, and my brother, where is my brother? Where is my brother? Hey, I am going to look for him. Hey, hello, did you see my big sister Bella? Oh, hello, my name is Benno and I'm a little bit younger. Hello, did you see my sister? Can you help me call her? Bella, Bella, Bella. Oh, hi Benno. Hi Bella. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I want to play. I will bring the ball. My name is Ben, and this is my ball. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. No. Oh, oh. I don't like to fight. Me neither. What can we do now? I can share. Ooh. Oh, we can play like that. Hey, Ben, you know what? I have friends that live in England. And their name is, you know what? What? Their name is Ella and Ben. Oh, they are like us. Do they share? Yes, they do. They share all the time. And they sing song about peace. How do you say peace? You know how you say peace in Hebrew? How? You say shalom. Shalom? It's like sharing? Yes. Shalom, shalom, shalom. I love you, Bella. I love you, Benno. Do you want to sing together? Yes. We can sing and dance. Wait a minute, I'll put some music on. Hey, Benno, that's nice. Yes, Bella. Maybe our friends Ben and Ella want to join. Put your hands up.